Hey guys, Tom Cook here from Ducky's Boats, taking a quick look at the SeaArk 2072 VFX Deluxe. Minn Kota 4-Trex tiller handle trolling motor we installed at our shop there. It is 80 pounds, 24 volts, and the boat comes wired with a heavy-duty 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. Has your accessory track. The VFX does come with float pods. This one here has an optional swim ladder and also a power pole bracket. Ultra reliable Yamaha 115 4-stroke outboard. Console comes loaded up with a total of 6 rod holders. This boat here has the optional stainless steel steering wheel. Really nice leaning post behind the console. It does also have bow storage in the center of the deck, along with the seat base and a forward-mounted anchor locker. 28-gallon bow-mounted fuel tank. And also a storage compartment underneath the leaning post. This particular boat is shown in Shadowgrass Camo and also features the Linex interior, which is a very nice non-skid surface that's ultra durable. It also does tend to stay pretty cool in the sun. Trolling motor batteries for the trolling motor up underneath the console. You can see them tucked away nicely. Well folks, that's about all the time we have for now. For the best deal on your new SeaArk boat, be sure to call Ducky's 717-944-4232, www.duckysboats.com. We have a large SeaArk inventory and best deals anywhere. Thanks and have a great day.